Today we are going to draw a circle scenery, a man sitting under a lamppost. Let's draw a straight line here. Then we draw the lamppost. For this, we need to draw another parallel line with the previous line. And the base of the lamppost is here. Little decoration here. Another base here. This is the horizontal extension of the lamppost. Another extension here. And we put the lighting device here. This is the ground, so ground is little darker. We can draw a bench under the lamppost. Sometimes this is the waiting bench. People wait, take rest, or wait for the bus for so many reasons. And a person sitting here. We make it darker. Let's put little grasses on top. All right. Lots of grasses here on the ground. This is a very easy and simple way of drawing the grasses. Now we can put little shades on the bench here. Let's put little color on the bench too. All right. We can make the lamppost heavy, darker, totally dark here. All right, like this. Okay. Then we can put little shade. It will show that the light is falling on the man sitting on the bench. The shade is uniformly distributed. So putting the shade like this all over the drawing. Okay. It's getting visibly nice. All right, let's put the ground a little greener. So this is the basic drawing. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do the practice and practice. Thank you so much. Have a good day.